Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by preparing both tools, Git and the Obsidian Git plugin. First, make sure Git is installed and your global name/email are set so commits identify you. Once done, open your Vault and run git init or clone an existing repo into the Vault folder. This ties Obsidian files to Git tracking. Then enable the plugin in Obsidian's community plugins and allow access to the repo path. This gets you ready to stage and commit notes immediately. You'll now adopt a steady workflow. Open Obsidian, review change notes, stage with the plugin's checkboxes or run git add, and commit with clear messages. Make sure git ignore excludes large attachments if you store binaries. Also configure auto-sync or manual push/pull according to how often you edit across devices. When edits collide, pull before pushing. If you see a conflict, open both versions, merge content in the editor, then git add and commit the resolved file. That keeps history clean and recoverable. Finish by pushing your commits to the remote so other devices see changes. You can set up SSH keys or a personal access token for HTTPS. Verify remote URLs with Git Remote V. Once connected, choose Scheduled Sync in the plugin or push manually after major sessions. If a push is rejected, don't panic. Fetch and run git pull rebase, resolve any conflicts, then push again. That single troubleshooting step, updating credentials or
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.